Yes, everyone. I'm back again. I keep saying I'm back again. I'm back again. I'm back again. I need something new. I don't want to say I'm back again. That's terrible. We need to change that. I'll think of something in the meantime. Um, I'm actually trying to focus on building more content because I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers minimum this year, and hopefully I do that. But obviously, hard work pays off, so I need to make content. Shout out my bank account. It's screaming. I've got another one from Nike. This is actually a limited release because I bought this colorway and I wanted another colorway as well, but by the time I went back on the website, which was only about half an hour difference by the way, it was not available. So I bought these within a few minutes of release, and then after that they all sold out, which is actually crazy because this is my first like hype, or not hype, most wanted or quick to sell out, whatever you want to call it, quick strike, whatever release. I hope that they do release these another time or something. I'm really not sure what they're gonna do. And I actually haven't seen this model for a very long time, so I had to buy it. And plus, this colorway is just classic. The best bit. Let me just make sure there's no label. They love to put the label at the front. Okay. Air Max 1 LV8 White Martian Sunrise. You don't know what Martian Sunrise is, but it is an Air Max 1. Oh my, I'm so excited to open this box. I'm actually so excited. Ooh, yes, yes. Ooh, look at those. That is clean. Oh my. Leather on leather on leather. Ooh, yeah. You could tell how gassed I am. Yes. That is... Oh, mate. I've been waiting years for this colorway to come back out. Oh my. I was thinking I'm 50-50. This bit leather, I'm a bit scared of creasing. But, oh yes. These are amazing. These are actually amazing. I actually really, really like them. Just a quick go through. It's like the original colorway. It's got the grey, white, red all around. That's what Martian Sunrise is, guys. And yeah, nice clean shoe. I don't want to ramble on too long. Make sure to check out the other videos on foot coming soon. Take care.